Hi, this is Kevin Schrader, I'm Technology Evangelist for Zend Technologies, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how you can use SSH tunneling to connect in with your PHP Cloud development instance. So I have a container here called KShrader, and I want to connect to it using the MySQL workbench. To facilitate that, I'm going to go to PuTTY here, and I'm going to create a new connection, and I'm going to, first of all, set up my hostname. This hostname needs to have the username as well, so kshrader at kshrader.my.phpcloud.com. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my proxy. I'm going to set it up as HTTP, and I'm going to set as 21653 as the port, and the port hostname is going to be kshrader.my.phpcloud.com. Next up, we're going to set up our authentication in SSH. We are going to select these two parameters. They probably won't matter much, but hit browse, and we're going to select the private key file that we have for our container. And the next thing we're going to do is set up our tunnel, which is how we're going to actually make the connection. So the source port is going to be 13306. And the destination is going to be kshrader-db. That's a unique, it's a unique container name that you use to get into your setup. .my.phpcloud.com. It is going to be a local connection, and it's going to be on port 3306. I click on Add, and I have my connection set up. So now what happens is I hit open. I have now authenticated with my container, and so now I'm going to go to MySQL Workbench and set up a new connection. The connection name is going to be my connection, and the host name is going to be 127.0.0.1, and the port is going to be 13306. Username is going to be kshrader. And then the password is going to be my container password. Let's test the connection and see if we've connected. Connection parameters are correct. We hit OK. And now let's go down to our new connection. This is going to open up the SQL editor. And as you can see, we've now logged in to our container utilizing that SSH tunnel.